Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best white Christmas trees that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Holiday Stuff White Flocked Christmas Tree. This white Christmas tree from Holiday Stuff is 5 feet in terms of height and bottom width 30 diameter. It comes with 496 tips. It is covered and surrounded by pure white snow. It is pre-lit and about 180 bright cool white colored LED. This white flocked Christmas tree is made of eco-friendly material. It comes in 3 sections. Moving on at number 4, we have the 14 inches retro pre-lit ceramic tabletop white Christmas tree. If you want to bring holiday charm this Christmas time, then retro pre-lit ceramic tabletop Christmas tree is great choice for you. This white ceramic tree is crafted and hand-painted with white glaze glowing sort of colorful lights. Its design is inspired and taken from the tabletop tree. It has plastic bulbs attached to it which are removable. You can use any kind of 15-watt bulb for illuminating job. This is a all-listed white Christmas tree for indoor use, so do buy it. At number 3, we have the 7 feet 6 inches pre-lit flocked artificial white Christmas tree. Fine Expectations makes the idea of innovative decoration into practice to provide you with a unique style of celebrations. Using an advanced microchip technology involved in the lighting system, it gives a unique way to brighten up the party. The design features a strong base stand and branches too are incredibly strong. It is easily foldable into a compact design. It comes with the zippered bag for ample storage during transportation. At number 2, we have the Homegear 6 FT Deluxe 700 tip artificial white Xmas Christmas tree. Homegear Alpine Artificial Christmas Tree is a superb traditional Christmas tree for all that festive cheer at an outstanding value for money price. Coming in at 6 feet tall, a strong stand is included and the tree comes in the wrapped style and easy to put together. Homegear has taken the time to craft every Christmas tree with 700 unique tips to create a realistic shape. And finally at number 1, we have the National Tree 7.5-foot Dunhill White Christmas Tree. Nation Tree White Christmas Tree is among the broadly used trees for a variety of events. It is designed in a way that the branches are connected to the center of the pole. The metallic construction features a rust-free coating. The string features bulb lock which guards the bulbs from falling off. If an individual bulb burns out, the others remain lit. It is completely fireproof and all the materials used in the construction are non-allergenic. It comes in a package and includes spare fuses and bulbs. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.